Good morning, how are you guys? Today I'm in the back garden. I have not been here in a whole season or whole year, and that's because I didn't want to plant vegetables, even flowers, knowing that my husband was going to be grinding back here. He just finished the entire, this is the west side of the house, so this is my first time I've been able to plant in about a year. I've decided that I think I'm going to do mostly flowers and a little bit of herbs and just maybe a couple of tomatoes. In this bed here, I gotta use my glasses, sorry. I'm gonna plant cosmos, rubinza and xanthos, delphiniums, Munstead lavender, love in a mist, Miss Jekyll, lupine, stock, and some verbena. And I have zinnias over here that I'm going to put over there in the furthest bed away. And I'm going to try my hand for the first time with dahlia seeds. I have to pick up a new manifold, a 9-part manifold, because I'm going to run brand new drip. And I ran out of the manifolds, so I have to run to the hardware store for that. I have a little bit of biotone left. I'm going to mix that in and start planting. I'm going to water them in before I run to the hardware store to get the manifold. I'll make sure that I put a photo in that shows how I ran the drip all across the bed. Behind me, you probably see those are the vincas that I pulled from our walkway. I didn't have a chance to get them in the ground against the back border of our wall, so they're kind of hanging out here for a while. I am going to be planting dahlias on the west side over here by our ranch fencing, and that'll be in a couple of weeks. So these are the ones I've picked out so far. I'd like to order some dahlia tubers that are a little bit more expensive. However, since this is only my second year, I think I'm going to stick with these this year. If I am successful the way I was with the other 6 tubers that I planted a year ago, then maybe next year I'll invest in some more expensive tubers. I don't have to dig them out each winter since our winters are so mild, so that's kind of a nice thing for us. I can begin planting these right now. In the next few weeks, I'll make sure that I get them in the ground. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.